Yes, it seems I am live now. Where exactly does your application or website live? When you open AWS, you see something called EC2. On DigitalOcean, it called a droplet. Google calls it a compute engine VM. Azure just calls it a virtual machine. Linux says instances. And Oracle Cloud calls it a compute instance. Different name, same concept. A cloud hosted virtual machine, a computer. You don't own, but you pay for by the hour or by the month. But here, where it gets interesting. You think it's cheap at first. DigitalOcean says just $5 a month. AWS whispers your first year is free. Sounds like a steal, right? But when you need more RAM, a bit more CPU, maybe some extra storage, some extra bandwidth, suddenly the bill becomes 50, 100 or more. That is the cloud trap. It scales beautifully, but so does your bill. And more scary is vendor lock. This is the different topic for another day. Now imagine this twist. What if instead of renting, you own the machine? See, a $200 mini PC or server at home is more powerful than a $20 VPS. With that, you can run multiple virtual machines for years. Do the math. $200 will be back in just a year if you add up electricity and net bills. So why doesn't everyone just self-host? Because here comes the final reveal. At home, your power goes out, boom, servers down. Internet glitch, your website disappears. Need global reach? Sorry, your home cannot magically serve users in New York at lightning speed. That is the reason why cloud wins. It is reliable, redundant everywhere, but you pay for the comfort and convenience, and you lose the most important thing, that is the ownership and trust. So the real question is, do you want ownership, control, and low cost? So the real question is, do you want ownership, control, and low cost with self-hosting, or do you want convenience and global reliability with the cloud? The choice is yours. By the way, I always keep my data, especially the personal data, on my own and try to maintain 3-to-1 backup policy. Now I check what Silicon Pin can offer, as I know they provide support for your DIY projects so that you can do it by yourself. Let's see, they also provide the same thing. As I see the topic is similar, all those similar names having cloud instance. As I see, if I click on these consulting services cloud instance, they provide the cloud instance service and you can deploy. As I see, they provide consulting services along with the cloud instance. See, this is the BPS. I don't know why they don't make simple name, like it should be named as virtual computer or VPC or VPS. And the pricing is not very cheap. You can deploy it, or you can simply learn more and go from here. So the point is, they also provide services like, this is the main point, Silicon Pin provides DIY services, like you do your service by your own. If you need any assistance or help, they can provide the help. They have like multiple plans and you can connect with them with support plans. So to summarize, if you want a reliable, not so much faithful or not trustworthy solution, but availability is the concern, you must go with any kind of big companies. If you want privacy, if you want ownership, you must do it by yourself.